7 benefits of avocado oil. You already know avocados are good for you, but did you know their oil is just as amazing? Avocado oil is made from the flesh of the fruit and is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. It has a mild, buttery flavor and works great in cooking, salad dressings, or even skincare. Whether you're using it in the kitchen or on your body, avocado oil is one of the healthiest oils you can find. Let's take a look at 7 great reasons to add it to your daily routine. Number 1. Rich in heart-healthy fats. Avocado oil is full of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, the same type found in olive oil. These healthy fats help lower bad cholesterol (LDL) and raise good cholesterol (HDL), which supports a healthy heart. Using avocado oil instead of butter or processed oils is a smart choice for your meals. It also contains a little bit of polyunsaturated fats, which are good for your brain and blood flow. Add it to salad dressings or drizzle it over roasted veggies for a heart-healthy touch. Number 2. Supports healthy skin. Avocado oil is great for your skin inside and out. It's rich in vitamin E, a nutrient that helps protect your skin from dryness and damage. It also contains antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can cause aging and irritation. You can apply it directly to your skin or look for lotions that include it. It absorbs easily and helps keep your skin soft and smooth. If you have dry, flaky skin or small cuts, avocado oil may help soothe and heal naturally. Number 3. Can help reduce inflammation. Thanks to its healthy fats and antioxidants, avocado oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help calm swelling and discomfort in the body. People with joint pain, arthritis, or general muscle soreness may benefit from using it in their diet. Even skin conditions like eczema or sunburn can feel better with a little avocado oil. Cooking with this oil or adding a teaspoon to your smoothie is a simple way to support your body from the inside out. Number 4. Good for eye health. Avocado oil contains lutein, a powerful antioxidant that's especially good for your eyes. Lutein helps protect your vision from damage caused by sunlight and screen time. It also supports long-term eye health as you age. Unlike some nutrients, lutein isn't made by your body, so you have to get it from food. Including avocado oil in your meals gives your eyes the support they need to stay healthy and strong. Try using it in place of other oils when cooking eggs, leafy greens, or fish. Number 5. Helps your body absorb more nutrients. Some vitamins, like A, D, E, and K, need fat to be absorbed properly by your body. Avocado oil provides the healthy fat that helps unlock these nutrients from the foods you eat. That means when you pair it with veggies or leafy greens, you're getting more from your meal. Just a drizzle of avocado oil on a salad or in a sautéed dish can make a big difference in what your body takes in. It's an easy way to make your food work harder for your health. Number 6. Great for high heat cooking. Not all oils are good for cooking at high temperatures, but avocado oil has a high smoke point, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. That means it doesn't break down or release harmful compounds when heated. You can use it for roasting, grilling, frying, and stir-frying without worry. It has a light, neutral taste that doesn't overpower your food. If you're looking for a healthy oil that can handle the heat, avocado oil is one of the best choices out there. Number 7. Promotes healthy hair. Avocado oil isn't just great for skin, it can also help your hair look and feel better. It's rich in nutrients like vitamin E, biotin, and fatty acids that strengthen hair and reduce breakage. You can massage it into your scalp to help with dryness, or add it to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends. Some people even use it as a deep conditioner. Whether you apply it directly or eat it regularly, avocado oil is a simple way to support shiny, healthy hair. If you enjoyed learning about avocado oil, don't forget to like this video and comment below with any other health benefits you've experienced using it. And for more helpful info, check out this video, Benefits of Avocado. You don't want to miss this fruity facts for your well-being. And remember, life is better when you garden.